I'm Christy, and this is Created by Christy. So I went to Michael's right after Christmas when they put all their stuff on clearance, whatever. You wait. And then they finally put it in bags for like $4, and you don't know what's in there, you just grab the bags. So I picked up a couple of them because I thought, that could be fun. And I opened the first one and I was like, nope, I have to pull out the video so that I can show you guys what all I got in here and you can see what a great deal it was. The first bag got opened had like $180 worth of stuff that I paid $4 for. So I am just going to turn the camera down so you can see everything, and then we will add it all up and see how much I actually got. I have 3 bags, so I paid $12 whole for them. So let's take a peek and see what's inside. Okay, so I am going to just slide these back. And I will go ahead and start with the one that I already opened, just because, the end. So again, you see the nifty little $4 price tag on here. So what's inside? We got some little nutcracker men, some balls and ornaments, some little trees, and so if you do the little Christmas villages, these are super cute. And I will just tell you what the price of each of this. This is $7. This is $10. Little plastic stars, $5. Little tree topper for like maybe your little mini dorm tree, $5. Little gold sparkly balls, $5. Another one of those, $5. Little purple tree balls, these are $5 as well. Now these are glass. I try to dig through and see, like looking through the bags, like get the bags with the least glass, because I'm just accident prone and I don't like to deal with glass. Also, I have a 6-year-old and I don't want anybody stepping in it. So I try to stay away from the glass, but I did get some things with glass in it. This is one of them, for a little mini tree as well, $10. Some more plastic ornaments, $5. More plastic ornaments, $5. I have a feeling these might be glass. But oh yeah, glass, $5. So I'm gonna put the glass ones aside because I don't really want to deal with those. More gold sparkly balls there, $5. More little gold balls here, $5. With these might be super cute. I can use them like, I can use one of these little larger balls and then glue those to the sides, make little Mickey Mouses out of them. That'd be super cute. 3 rolls of ribbon, $10 a piece. Another thing of the small balls, $5. And so then, okay, let's see. This is a little bell ornament, $3. Little jingle ball ornament, another $3. Then we have got 2 packages of gold bows that are $4 each, so another $8. And then some tree trim, $6 a piece, 2 of those. And then we're gonna get into, these are kind of like your Christmas village stuff. So we've got some little, it looks like a little dove. He's got the little piece thingy in his mouth, olive branch, that's my word. He has a little olive branch in his mouth, so we got 2 of those. The swan queen or whatever. A nice pretty angel. The, oh gosh, I forget what is it, the Rat King from the Nutcracker? Santa driving a, I don't know, that looks like a train. So that's one, and this is the one I counted up and it was like, I want to say $180 or something, full price. So I'm just gonna kind of lay it out so it makes it easier to see what all we have, so that when I open them all, we can see how much we actually got for $12. I'm just gonna like stack these up. I like to put my like kind with my like kind so that I know what's what. And just because I'm weird, I'm putting all the, I believe these are glass, yeah. I'm gonna put all the glass stuff together. So this is all the glass I got in that one, which isn't too bad to start out with when you know, you're trying to pick through it all. So we've got gold balls, multicolored balls, and then more gold balls, little stars, and then we'll do all of my little creatures. I'm trying to separate them so that, you know, the stuff that I'm going to get more of the same. And go from there. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my next bag. Again, this one is another $4. Now, it looks like we got a whole bunch of balls, which is awesome. So here we've got balls. Those are $6. Another 6. 12, 18, 24, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 of those at $6 a piece, that's $48. And then another little Santa car, which is $8, so that's like $56. So definitely the first bag was the prize winning, like, lot of cash bag. But still a good haul for $4. So I'm gonna stack these balls over here. Alright, so those are those. And then I got like this one, it's kind of artsy crafty because my son likes to do, so I see it's got a lot of those felt villages and stickers and stuff, so that's why I got this one. So this is, oh, you can make foam ornaments, $8. Lots of stickers, looks like maybe the nativity scene, $8. So 6 and 8 is 14. Some more nativity stickers, so that's another 8, so we're at 14 and 8 is 22, and another 8, we're at 30. These are little pom-pom reindeer critters, $8, so we're at 38. A bag of jingle bells, another 8, so we're at 46. Some more ornaments, so another 8, we're at 54. More ornaments, so another 8, we're at 62. And then these are naughty or nice calendars so that your kid can like count down the days of Christmas. $10 a piece. There's 2 of those in there. So what was I at? 56 and 20, so 76. So what is that? 50 and 76 is like what, 125-ish and 178. So like $300 worth of stuff for the crazy price of $12. So I'm not sure what all I'm going to do with this, but I'm sure it will be something fun and festive. But I just wanted to share my haul with you, and I think next time I'll probably buy way more $4 bags than I got this time, because the possibilities are endless and I can't wait to create. Again, I'm Christy. Thanks for watching. Bye.